Gee, it sure is boring around here.
My boy!
Your Majesty, Ganon and his minions have seized the island of Koridai. It is written,
Only Link can defeat Ganon.
You must jump off. There is no time. Your sword is enough.
How about a kiss? For luck.
You've got to be kidding.
We're off! What are all those heads?
These are the faces of evil. You must conquer each.
I guess I better get going.
Here is the map.
Here, have some water of life. My, you're thirsty. Oh my goodness!
Lamp oil, rope, bombs, 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 bombs. Friend, as long as you have enough rubies. Sorry. Come back when you're a little... richer.
Look and see Goronu.
Skull for a wax and not one dollar has figured it out. Keep going, boy. You're doing real well. Once you get rid of Ganon, we can get back to fishing. My hero! You're doing great, Link. You are our hero.
Join me, Link, and I will make your face the greatest in Koridai, or else you will die.
Why'd you do that?
I just saved you from Ganon.
You did not.
Ganon is once again imprisoned. Come! Look! Already Koridai is returning to harmony. The birds are singing.